Is your garden ready for the monsoon? Before the first rain arrives, there are 7 important things every gardener should do to keep plants healthy and protected. Let's find out. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tannu Garden. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, I'll share 7 things every gardener must do before the monsoon. So, let's get started. First point, check drainage. Make sure all your pots have clear drainage holes. This prevents waterlogging and protects the roots from rotting. Second point, prune dead growth. Remove dry leaves and weak branches to improve airflow and encourage healthy new growth. Third point, refresh the soil. Loosen the top layer of soil and add compost to provide nutrients for stronger, healthier plants. Fourth point, support tall plants. Use bamboo stakes or plant supports to protect plants from strong winds and heavy rain. Fifth point, prevent fungal diseases. Keep proper spacing between plants and remove infected leaves to reduce the risk of fungal infections. Sixth point, check for pests. Inspect your plants regularly for insects like snails and aphids, and keep the garden clean. Seventh point, water wisely. Water your plants only when the soil feels dry, and avoid overwatering during the monsoon. That's it. Follow these 7 simple tips before the monsoon, and your garden will stay healthy, green, and beautiful all season long. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and fellow gardeners, and subscribe to Tannu Garden for more gardening tips and seasonal plant care videos.